Good morning. Getting kind of a late start to my morning. It's like 10:30 now. I was pretty lazy, just sitting on my couch, scrolling, doing nothing. When I wanted to get out and get a walk around the neighborhood / maybe go for a run, and I didn't get to do that. And today's going to be about 90 degrees, and I wanted to get that done early in the morning while it was still really cold outside, and now that's not gonna happen. So now I'm going to run errands. Please excuse my appearance probably for this entire video, because I will probably be makeup free since it is the weekend and I don't really have any place important to go. But for errands today, we're gonna go to Kohl's, technically Sephora. My Sephora is in a Kohl's. We're gonna go to Sephora. Gotta get something for my husband / obviously I'm going to be moseying around. And then I'm gonna go tan. I know tanning is bad, summer's over, Max, stop, skin cancer, blah, blah, blah. I get it, okay? But I feel so much prettier, so much better about myself when I'm tan, and I just don't do the self-tanner. Never looks good on me. So yeah, I'm gonna tan. And then I have an order at Best Buy. I picked up a computer mouse for my husband that he needed, so I gotta go pick that up because that is already ready. So yeah. Okay, they didn't have everything that I wanted, which is probably a good thing. But you saw that I got that like glycolic acid toner. I got the smaller size because people have been using this for their underarms, so like their underarms don't stink. But when I Google searched this, it said that it can irritate your skin from like your armpits, like kind of chafing. So I'm nervous to try this out. It does say not to use it every day too, but I'm gonna try this out and we'll see if it works. And then that awkward angle that was like from the floor, because I swear to you, these Sephora ladies are everywhere. They're watching you from everywhere. But I put my phone down on the floor because I wanted to smell the Tiger Lily, Flower Bomb, Tiger Lily, Victor and something, because I liked when I looked it up on the Sephora app, I liked the top notes of it. It's very fruity and it wasn't bad, it was just very overpowering. So I'm gonna think about that. I didn't end up grabbing that, but what I was really going in for were the Summer Fridays lip balms, which I don't need any more lip products, but I'm really looking for the pink sugar and the iced coffee, and they never have it here. So eventually I'll probably buy that online too. Now I am off to the gym to just go tan real quick and then go to Best Buy, pick up that online order. And my husband wants freaking ice cream again for breakfast, and we're working on it, people. We're working on it. I also need to make myself some breakfast and an iced coffee. So let's go. They definitely overflowed his ice cream. It got everywhere, so now I have to clean this so it doesn't smell like spoiled milk in my car. Ah! Sorry for the screaming. now that it's 12:30, I'm gonna enjoy my breakfast on my couch with my iced coffee, and I'm going to listen to my audiobook for Malibu Rising. I'm about 70% through. I want to get this done this weekend because I've got 2 more audiobooks on my Libby app that I have checked out that I have like, I think like 2 weeks left to borrow those, so, and then I have laundry to do later. Okay, we gotta do a load of laundry, and then I want to vacuum, and then I gotta shower at some point. These are all clean, and we're just gonna put them on the floor right there. Don't judge.
There's a small town named Forks. Population 3,120 people.